Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm so excited. I'm going to be dyeing my hair ginger. Ginger, you know, very pumpkin spice, very fall vibes. 'Tis the season to dye your hair ginger. So this is the color I'm going to be using today. It is from Overtone. It is their ginger color, and I'll show you what this looks like inside. It is such a pretty color. So I'm going to be putting it on my blonde hair. So even if it comes out a little bit brighter and a little bit more like, comes out like bright orange, like I'm good with that too. But this is what the color looks like. It's like a really nice gingery color. Like it has those like brown tones in it and those orangey tones. I'm so excited to see how this comes out. I love ginger hair, like in real life. Like I love real life redheads. And people with like strawberry blonde hair and ginger hair is like one of my favorite hair colors. If I wasn't blonde, I feel like I'd make a good redhead. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So yeah, I'm so excited. So if you wanna see this little mini makeover, then keep watching. All right, so I just changed my shirt so I don't get my sweater all stained, but I am so excited to dig into this. This color looks beautiful. And funny enough, it's actually Thanksgiving today, so happy Thanksgiving to all my fellow Canadians. I'm so excited to do this color because I'm gonna dye my hair and then basically get ready for my Thanksgiving dinner. So I'll be eating my pumpkin pie with my pumpkin pie hair. It's gonna be such a vibe. And did you notice my little pumpkin pie, or not pie, but like pumpkin decorations? I'm feeling pretty festive. And also I wanted to mention this is one of my first videos with my new microphone, so let me know if the audio sounds a lot better. I think it does, but yeah, let me know. So I'm basically gonna get started. I'm so excited. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? I'm not ready. I'm ready. Oh my god. Ooh, okay, this is gonna come out a little darker than I kind of thought, maybe. Ooh, okay.
Milk and the honey, but you could get to know. Thinking of all of the one that flows. Yeah, I pretend I'm not jealous, trying to keep my cool. Never resting my eyes, no, I'm watching you every move. I watch every move. Wanna be somebody too. I'm a bloody hunter. I give for all that I want, flattery and lobster. I'm really hungry. Heard a body of grief, you satisfy me. Trying to hide the envy, paradise low price gold. Gotta eat though, keep my morals in control. I could be you on a good day, but the surprise for dreams. I'm waiting tables, I'm not what I see. I watch every move. Wanna be somebody too. I'm a bloody hunter. I give for all that I want, flattery and lobster. I'm really hungry. Heard a body of grief, will you satisfy me? I'm a bloody hunter. I give for all that I want, flattery and lobster. I'm really hungry. Heard a body of grief, will you satisfy me? I'm a bloody hunter. I'm really hungry.
Oh my gosh, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I changed to a lighter top so you guys could see the true intensity of the color, but oh my god, I love it. I think it came out so nice. So it is very orange. It's not giving me pumpkin spice vibes. It's giving me like I am the pumpkin. Like, see, girl, I am the pumpkin. And there's areas where I didn't really saturate my hair as much. You can kind of see it's like a little bit more of a yellowy orange. So overall it looks very fiery. It has like that very fiery orange aspect to it, which I like. Do you guys remember last year when I tried to do a Lilu costume for Halloween and I dyed my hair orange, but it wasn't like the right kind of orange? I feel like this is more of the right kind of orange. Her hair was like a little bit orangey yellow, so I feel like if there was like a little bit more yellow in my hair, this would be the color. I'll link that video so you guys can tell, like, see what I'm talking about, but oh my god, I'm so obsessed. Okay, also it really stained my fingers and my fingernails, so my French manicure is now yellow, but that's okay. I've been meaning to get my nails done, but yeah, just so you know, this color does stain. And my hair feels amazing. Whatever Overtone uses in their conditioners is working. Whenever I use their colors, my hair always feels so amazing and healthy after. I think I might actually just get they have a conditioner without any color, so you can get like a clear or like a colorless conditioner. I might get that because it's that good, girl. It's that good. My hair feels so soft. I love it. And I am gonna do another color after this, so let me know in the comments down below what color you think I'm gonna do next. Leave your guesses. It might not be something that you expect, so stay tuned. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. What's the point of even wearing gloves? It like went through my gloves. Now my hands are yellow.